Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY hairstyling video tutorial. So, are you guys excited for the lovely hairstyles that we gonna create? So here you need to just roll your hair further, get it beautifully rolled up in this way, put them together to make a lovely bun made out of it. It will be beautiful enough. Okay, and then what are we up to? You need to secure your hair, get it towards the other end, then secure it beautifully, and this is gonna look amazing. Before proceeding further, you're gonna just roll them in this way to make it look beautiful. If you get it done in this manner, and then this is gonna look amazing. So whatever you wanna do out of it, you need to secure them up and get it attached in this manner. It will be beautiful enough. Now proceeding as per the video instructions, you will roll them up in this way. Then you want to make this bun and then secure it beautifully in this manner. Isn't it beautiful? Now here already up, you need to just press your hair further in this way to make it look beautiful and amazing. So in this manner to make it look lovely and pretty. So here you need to get the clutches and then secure them up in this manner. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now you want to make this happen, just roll it further and get these attached in this way. Now whenever you're up to, you need to just secure the hairs like this. You will join them together and then get it attached with the help of the lovely decorative clutches. You need to get the partitions, get the hair out, roll them up and get a beautiful heart shape pattern. Again split the hair, get the braids made, and you're going to make this happen. It is beautiful enough. Whenever you make this, do in this manner, and then you get it beautifully made up in this way. Join them together and get a lovely clutches attached. Now here again you need to roll your hair up in this manner and get it to the other end. We're going to make this way and then this is gonna look amazing. These clutches are gonna look super beautiful and amazing. Isn't it cool enough? You need to just secure the hair like this. Get it beautifully secured and attached in this manner. Split the hair apart, get the braids made. So you need to just split it from the middle and get a lovely bun made. These are going to look amazing and pretty. Already up to again splitting the hair, get it to the other side, roll them up in this manner and then beautifully get it attached in this way. Now proceeding as per the video instructions, what are we gonna do next? Here you need to roll them up together and then join them in this way, get a lovely bun made. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now proceeding as per the video now, what are we gonna do? You have to just get it beautifully secured, get the hair out and get it beautifully straightened out in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. Thank you guys for watching.